ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನುಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ನುಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ. So this thing you might have played in your childhood. So carrying someone on your back is called Kusumari. So the poem is about Kusumari. So we'll start with the poem. ಈ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು G.P. Rajaratnam. It's always mandatory to say the name of the poet or the author name while you're reading the lesson or the poem. Okay? We'll start with the poem Kusumari. ಈ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು G.P. Rajaratnam. So before starting you have a small box. So we'll read what is there in that box. ಆಟಗಳೆಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲದ ಅಕ್ಕರೆ. ಆಟ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ದೇ ಲವ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. ಎಳೆಯ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಬೆನ್ನೇರಿ ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ ಆಟದ ನೆನಪು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಮುದ ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಎಳೆಯ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ just like this, the elder brother Anna will carry you on his back. So this game is called Kusumari and it's a very cherishable memories and the poet is saying here. So here the poem is all about the Kusumari, where the brother is carrying his younger sister on his back and he is playing the game. We'll start with the poem. Kusumari, 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 beke Kusumari. So do you want Kusumari? So that is the meaning of the first two lines. Annana bennige, Anna is the elder brother, Bennu is a back. Maiyannu besedu. So I lock my body to my Anna's back. Kattina suttalu kaigalannesedu. So to his neck, around his neck, I'll put my hands. Kai is hand. Sontada suttalu kalanu bigidu. Sonta is a waist. So around the waist, I'll put my legs and I'll lock the legs. So that's how you can see in the picture the girl, how is she sitting on his brother's back. The hands are around the neck, the legs are around the waist, and the body is on the back of the brother. Annanu negedare taanu negedu. If Anna jumps, even you will jump with the Anna. So that is the meaning of the first four lines. Annana bennige mayyanu besedu, kattina suttalu kaigala nesedu, sontada suttalu kaalanu bigidu. Kaalu is a leg, kai is a hand, sonta is a waist, kattu is a neck. Do remember all these body part names. Bennu is a back. Annanu negedare taanu negedu. Nege is to jump. So if Anna jumps, I will also jump. That is the meaning of these four lines. We'll come to the next four lines. Muddagiruvudu Kusumari. So Anna is saying for younger sister, she's very cute Kusumari. Kannada Nadina Kusumari. So she is a Kannada Nadina Kusumari. He is saying she is born and brought up in India, Karnataka. So because the author was residing here, right? So this is how the description goes. Kannada Nadina Kusumari. She is the baby of Karnataka. Kusumari, Kusumari, Kusumari beke Kusumari. So the lines are repeated. First two lines are repeated. Sorry for the background noise. Kedarida Kudala Marayendinaki. Kedarida. The Kudalu is a hair. Kedarida Kudalu is a messy hair. The hair has become messy. Marayendiniki. From that hair, she is coming out and she is looking out. So Annana Kudalu Kedaride or Tangiya Kudalu Kedaride, the girl hair is messy or the Anna's hair is messy. From the messy hair, she is coming out and she is looking out. I ennuta kaaduta kenaki. And what she does, she's sitting on the back and she tells hi, like she's riding a horse. Belagina javada kattaleyali. Early morning, you will get up in the early morning. So do you find sun out there? Do you find light? It will be still dark. Yele bisi lerechuva suryana holi. So holi is At that time, slowly when the sun comes, you really love that environment, love that atmosphere. So Anna is comparing the younger sisters the game to this one. So early morning, how the sun will come out slowly. In the similar way, my sister, she is looking out slowly from the back, and she's so shiny. She will make me happy. How the sun makes us happy in the morning, similarly the younger sister is making elder brother happy. Tangi is making Anna happy. Tangi is a younger sister. ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿರುವುದು ಕೋಸುಮರಿ, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕೋಸುಮರಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ಕೋಸುಮರಿ, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕೋಸುಮರಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು. ನಾಡು ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೀಜನ್. ಕೋಸುಮರಿ 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 ಬೇಕೆ ಕೋಸುಮರಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್. ಭೂಮಿಯ ಬಲೆಯಿಂದ ಆಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಇಸ್ ಅರ್ತ್, ಆಕಾಶ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೈ. ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಆಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ರಂದೇರುತ್ತ ಬಣ್ಣದ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ, ಹರಡುತ್ತ ಹಾಡುವ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಹಾಗೆ, ಹರಡುತ್ತಲಿರುವುದು ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೇಗೆ. ಮೇಗೆ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಫ್ರಮ್ earth to sky. How it will sky? How the bird will fly? The bird will fly srr ಅಂತ sound. The srr is a sound. Srr ಅಂತ sound ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು the bird will fly from earth to sky. Similarly, the younger sister Tangi is enjoying the game with the elder brother. Okay, so Bhumi is earth, Akasha is a sky. Sarranderuta, sar andre sound, ಏರೋದು ಅಂದರೆ climb or ಹಾರೋದು fly. ಬಣ್ಣದ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ and colorful wings. ಹರಡುತ್ತಾ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತಾ, it has spread the wings and it is flying happily from earth to sky, the bird. Similarly, the girl is so happy enjoying this kusumari with her brother. ಹರಡುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೇಗೆ, on the back. So she is happily enjoying the kusumari. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ, ಕೂಸುಮರಿ ಬೇಕೆ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ. So this is a poem from Kusumari from 7th standard Nudi Kannada, so which is written by G.P. Rajaratnam. So we'll read the poem once. ಕೂಸುಮರಿ 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 ಬೇಕೆ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ, ಅಣ್ಣನ ಬೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಬೆಸೆದು, ಕತ್ತಿನ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಕೈಗಳ ನೆಸೆದು, ಸೊಂಟದ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಕಾಲನ್ನು ಬಿಗಿದು, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನೆಗೆದರೆ ತಾನೂ ನೆಗೆದು, ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿರುವುದು ಕೂಸುಮರಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ. ಕೂಸುಮರಿ 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 ಬೇಕೆ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ, ಕೆದರಿದ ಕೂದಲ ಮರೆಯೆಂದಿನಿಗಿ, ಐ ಐ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಕಾಡುತ್ತ ಕೆಣಕಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾಡುವುದು ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಟು ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ದ ಬ್ರದರ್, ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್. ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವದ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಳೆ ಬಿಸಿಲೆರಚುವ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಹೋಲಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಸನ್, ಹೋಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್. ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿರುವುದು ಕೂಸುಮರಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ. ಕೂಸುಮರಿ 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 ಬೇಕೆ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಬಲೆಯಿಂದ ಆಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ, ಸರ್ರಂದೇರುತ್ತ ಬಣ್ಣದ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ, ಹರಡುತ್ತ ಹಾರಾಡುವ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಹಾಗೆ. ಹಕ್ಕಿ is a bird. Sorry for the background noise of a dog barking. ಹರಡುತ್ತಲಿರುವುದು ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೇಗೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ. ಕೂಸುಮರಿ ಬೇಕೆ ಕೂಸುಮರಿ. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, you have understood the lesson. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section or mail ಮಾಡಿ yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com ಗೆ. Any words if you don't know the meaning, write your words, photo ತಗೊಂಡು send it to my mail ID. So thank you so much. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, share it with your friends. Knowledge sharing is very important. That's how you will gain the knowledge. It's not only sharing the link, you also have to say the story to your friend if you already know it well. So thank you so much, and you all know that I won't be doing the question answer part, so it's your thing. You have to do the question answers on your own. I'll explain only the lessons and I'll give the meanings for the words and the poem or the lesson. Thank you so much, Makli. And if you are a beginner, if you are looking for a workshop, there are the workshop pre-recorded lessons are available. So please look into the link which is given in the description box. And if you are looking for e-books, there are e-books that is being launched from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani for children. The link are given in the description box. And the spoken Kannada book is launched for adults from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Even the link for that book is also available in the description box. All the books are e-books. So go check out the description box, find the link, look into the sample copy and you can purchase the book. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more lesson anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.